Hi Rajeshwar.
Hi.
Every time when we drag and drop any dimensions or measures, so by default Tableau will generate a SQL query, right? So where can we see that SQL query?
That is $1 million question, because in a way, yes, that query, if you want to see, you can see it in the logs. That
So logs, I try to see in the logs, but
yeah, it's a huge text but wait, somewhere. Tableau log view. Here, somewhere. So this will help you view those, what do you say, logs. But for this, you need to.
I don't think so. Screen is not visible.
Oh, sorry.
For me.
Sorry. I'm not sure. So there is something called as GitHub log, Tableau log view or GitHub.
Okay.
If you proceed with this, I think I'll make a video on this. If you proceed with this, yes, you can see the log files and you can read whatever is present in the log files.
By default, we have Tableau repository, right? In that also we have like log files. In that it is not possible.
You can have log files, but this is to help you read those log files, understand those log files. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, I need to understand this. A long back I saw this, I never concentrated on this.
Okay.
See, how do I build this? Okay, I think I need to go through these and understand how to do this. And then, yes, we can read the log files. Okay?
Okay. So yesterday we have discussed like for extract how much time we can take. That is minimum time is we are able to see in server level, that is 15 minutes.
Yes.
So what was the maximum time?
There is no maximum time. See, now when I'm talking about 15 minutes, generally refreshing of our extract happens on schedules.
Yes.
So those schedules, minimum time between them is 15 minutes. Maximum time it can be 1 hour, 1 day, 1 month, 1 year, a decade, anything. Now, how do you schedule it is the point, right?
Suppose if I am loading data in Tableau from the server, so where we can do in the data source page, we can join the tables and we will get the information, right?
Yes.
So for storing that information also, it's taking a lot of time to me. So it is taking more than half an hour. Like that.
Wait. You are saying in Tableau desktop, you are bringing a table or you are bringing two tables and doing a join. Is that what you're saying? You are doing a join, and in that place, to load that details, join information, it is taking a lot of time. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, now I'm talking about this only. Previously, I talked about server only.
Yeah, now why, like, how many records do you have in each of those tables?
Not exactly. Maybe there is 1 million above.
And in the other table?
Other table also. Maybe it will join. So based on the joining, we will get the records, right? So for that purpose you are asking?
See, the reason is, if you are having, even in that case, it should not take much of a time.
Okay.
Now, you are saying that here when you go to your data source page, then when you are doing this, dragging this other table in here to pop this, it is taking a lot of time. That is what you're saying.
Yes.
It should not take such a long time. It should not, because it is now here majorly it will focus on the metadata. In the data source page, you will get the major focus is on metadata, and only certain number of rows of preview is shown.
Yeah.
So for this, it should not at all take much time.
How much time we can wait? So for asking database team, it is taking lot of time, like that, why it is happening. So how much time we can wait in the data source page? Data
No,
is for getting receiving the information.
It should happen immediately. That is what I'm saying. It should not take so much of a time, because here in this page it is focusing only and only on metadata, not your data.
Okay.
So it should, the issue might be somewhere else, not here.
That's why. So for asking DB team also, we need some clarification, right? So how much time we can wait, like the time?
No, it's not about waiting. See, that is what I'm saying. It should happen instantly. If not in 5-10 seconds.
Okay.
I think maybe data is getting duplicated. You need to check your join also.
But I have one question here. Even if the data is getting duplicated and all that stuff, right? Will that affect the way that is the display like this one? Okay, I'm not getting this option to be. When I am okay, now how many ever rows there might be, but when I drag a table here and when I'm trying to do the join, does the number of records of data, will it affect this display?
So when you create a job, like when you do the extract, then it will
Yeah,
like
then
it will
is
take
yes.
place.
Now her question is, here itself it is taking a lot of time. That is what she's saying.
Okay.
Now I think you need
I think
you can hide the important details and just share us a screenshot of this page when you are the start time, where when you are dragging this, what is the start time and what is the end time, you are getting the total view. Then I think we can get a clarity. Okay. Make sure you expose none of your company's data. Just show us what, like just put a dummy field or rename the column, like the name. You can rename this to anything that you want. So just rename them and show us, so that your company's data will not come outside. Okay.
you can check this in custom SQL also in your SQL Server SQL.
Okay. Yeah, that also makes sense. What she's saying is, rather than writing something in here, dragging tables in here,
I need to write SQL.
You can write a custom SQL, and I think then it should not take any more time, right?
Okay. In your SQL server, just write that and try to that it is taking time or not. Then you can fetch the same query in Tableau. Then you will get logged.
Yeah, sure, definitely. I will do that.
Okay.
One thing. Hello.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. In this time, can we go for zero extract?
See, it's not zero extract is when you move from here to when you try to create an extract. All this will come when you try to create an extract. Now again, this page, even if you want to go for a zero extract, this page should display, right? You're getting my point?
Okay. So in that time, so we can see in extract, and then also we can see, right?
Now her doubt is confined to
not extract.
Yeah, her doubt is when she is dragging a table. Now you are getting this table right here.
Reviewing the data.
Then when you are trying to preview the data or what?
No, for seeing only.
Like you are not changing the number of records in here, right? This place.
Where?
It by default it gives you 100 rows. You are only keeping those 100 rows, right?
Not exactly. I did not try with this.
No. You didn't touch. My point is you didn't touch this place, right?
I did not touch that one.
Then yeah, her doubt is when she is bringing this table in here, it is taking a lot of time to show this. But
Yes.
this should not take more time because here in this page, data source page, it is neither bothered about extract nor records, nothing. It is only bothered about the metadata and a short glimpse of the data, like first 1000 rows, first 100 rows, or something like that. So that should not be a problem. That is what my understanding is. I'm not sure.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. I got it. I thought I'm sorry.